Friend, welcome to this online session of CAD/CAM and CE. Now today in this lecture we will see how to write the part program for straight line machining center. So you can see that there is one workpiece here. Now we have to move this tool around this workpiece. We have to produce the finishing cut around the workpiece where it will be very less. So we are not removing the material there. Again what we have to do, we have to draw the tool path here. We have to decide the 0 point. I have already told you where to take the 0 point. So this will be my 0 point here. Now what is that? In this it is a straight line machining center. We have to move the tool on the workpiece. Now what we have to do, we have to consider the cutter. Now here we have seen that the cutter is of 3 mm diameter. We are using the end mill cutter. Now I have already told you that when we are doing the program will be from the center point of the tool. Now this will be the center point. Now this diameter will be 3 mm. So here this is the diameter. So what will be the offset here? It will be 3 divided by 2, it will be 1.5. So we have to consider this offset, because when you are not considering this offset, so 1.5 mm material will be removed from this workpiece. So that is not the conditions. So the workpiece will be overcut. So we have to not do that. We have to consider the 1.5 offset. So by considering this 1.5 offset, we have to write the tool positions. So I am taking this as my first point, that is the safest point. So I am going here in this will be my second point, this will be my third point of machining, this will be my fourth point of machining, this will be my fifth point of machining, this will be sixth point. So here I am completing the tool part here. This will be the seventh point of machining. Now I am removing this surface. So this will be, so I am writing the point. This is the first point, this is my second point, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, and this 8th point. So this is the 8 point machining. So again I have to write the same tool positions, X and Y. So tool positions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now consider this first point. This first point is the safest point and it is away from this workpiece. So you can see that it is in the left and it is at the down. So X and Y both will be negative here. So I am assuming that this is X will be -5 and Y will be -5. You can take anything. Now second, it is the 2. So what is it actually? Here the dimension will be 0 and 0. Now but you have to consider this offset. So when you are considering this offset, it will be X is equal to -1.5 and Y will be -1.5. You have got this point. This is a 0 point. If I am giving this 0, what will happen? It will produce a cut of 1.5 mm, but we have to not produce any cut. We have to just move the tool around the workpiece, just as a dry run. So it will be -1.5 and -1.5. X will be -1.5 and Y will be -1.5. Third, the total distance is 20. Now 20 plus 1.5, it will be, X will be 21.5 and Y will remain the same, 1.5. Now fourth point, so it will be, X will be same, 21.5 and Y will be, so this Y is nothing but it, you can see that this is a 20. So this point is here, this is 1.5 offset. So 20 minus 1.5, it will be 18.5. So this will be fourth point. Now fifth point, Y will remain the same, 18.5 and X will be nothing but it will be, this is total distance is 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 1.5, it will be 61.5. So again 6 point will be so same, 61.5. and what will be now? Y will be 20 plus 30 plus 1.5, so it will be 51.5. 7th point will be same, Y will be 15.5 and what will be the X will be -1.5. Now 8th point, X will be -1.5 and we are assuming this as it should be -6. So this is the number of tools. Hope you have understand these positions. If not, you can WhatsApp me your doubts. I will explain you in that doubts. Now I have to write the part program. So again I am writing the same thing here. So what is my first? It will be N010. It will be G70 dimension metric system, G90 absolute coordinate system, G94 fitted mm per minute. This block will be same for each. N20, you have to start the spindle, M03 spindle start clockwise and it will be end of block. N30 take similar in the first program. G00 take this Z into the safest position. Z is equal to, I am taking 10 mm and it will be end of block. N40, now I am taking my tool. G00 will remain the same. I am taking my tool to the first point here. You can see that this is the first point. This is my first point. So I am taking my tool. So it will be to this first point. Hold on within a second. I will just. So I am taking the tool to this point. So what is N40? It will be G0 will be same. X will be what? Minus 5 and Y will be minus 5 and it will be end of block. Now N50, what is N50? Next block we are going to this, we have to give the depth there. So I am writing G01. What is the depth? I will assume the depth is Z is equal to minus 3. I will make the coolant on here M08 because it is a continuous machining, so coolant will be required, and end of block. So N60, just you have to write the now X and Y axis. Now what is this is my second point. What is my X of second point? Minus 1.5. Just I am writing this is a clerical work. Y is equal to minus 1.5, end of block. N70 again same. We have given the feed. You can give the feed here. Feed will be 20 mm per minute and it will be end of block. Now you can add the speed here. Speed is equal to 1000. Now next it will be X will be Y is 1.5. Now I am writing X is equal to 21.5. Y is equal to minus 1.5. I am just writing the dimensions now, point to point. N18, next it will be the fourth point. X is equal to 21.5. Y is equal to 18.5. End of block. N90, X is equal to 61.5. Y is equal to 18.5. End of block. N100, X is equal to 61.5. Y is equal to 51.5. End of block. N110, X is equal to minus 1.5. Y is equal to 51.5. End of block. N120, so this is my last block. X is equal to minus 1.5. Y is equal to minus 6. End of block. Now I have to off all the what I have made that on. I have to make the now Z I have to move to the safest position. Z is equal to, I am taking this as the 100. End of block. Then the N140 I will making coolant off. Coolant off code will be M09. End of block. N150 I have to make the spindle stop M05 and after that the program stop N160 M02. So this is the simplest way of writing the part program. Hope you understand. If any query you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.